2020 for construction updates of our project MJM Residency. Milestone achieved. Roof slab concrete pouring complete. Progress update. Roof slab pouring done. On to the next phase. Get ready to witness the remarkable transformation of MJM Residency in this exclusive video clip showcase, capturing its latest stunning developments. Next steps in MJM Residency construction. Prepare to embark on the next phase of our project's evolution as we delve into the intricate process of building elevation works at MJM Residency. The next crucial step is the lift room works. Moving forward, shifts to the overhead water tank installation. Don't miss out on any future updates. Subscribe now for more detailed insights into the progress of MJM Residency. Thanks for watching.